My goal today, this training, is to make sure that you get 100 people saying yes to you every month. All right. So before we get started, it's simple, man. It's number. If you want to get 100 people saying yes, you're gonna send a message to way more than 100 people. Does that make sense? Right. So whatever the ratio is there. So the first thing is a software tool. We mentioned D7 Finder is very popular. A lot of this is paid. I'm gonna go through paid and free. Obviously, paid is better. It's just easier to make your life easier. So, by the way, if you just Google lead generation software, there's many different things going on. Like, I don't need to do too much training on this. Like, you can look for it yourself. D7 Lead Finder. What we used it before. So, how it works is that you subscribe for $60 a month, and then you can download unlimited lists. So you just want to subscribe for a month and then cancel it. Just like do your thing in a month. Do you know what I mean? Like when I was started, I was so greedy, bro. I download dentist, chiropractor, everything. I want to make my money worth, right? And then I cancel. It's not a big deal. But the problem is that the quality here is really, the email is normally bad. Quality is bad. The email is bad. Phone number, mostly a landline number. We normally need a mobile number. The other one that I find interesting is called Lead Gorilla, and they're actually running ads on it. Have you heard of it? Lead Gorilla. So these guys, they're on a subscription. I don't think this one is the one that you want to cancel, because they will allow you to send email and proposal and text within that platform. So what it do is that it can scrape lead that doesn't even have a website. So it's really helpful. I watched the demo video. I haven't personally used it. The reason why I haven't used it because like we get enough appointments through our social selling, the one that I've been teaching you. So we never need to go through this sort of stuff. But I did went through this route when I first start. Is that, you know what I'm saying? So it's not like I never done it. I'm just not currently doing it. So this thing, man, it looked like they built it in a way that you can send DM and email from it. So it's very hard for you to cancel. So really, goal here is just have a look for yourself, see what fit, and to share it back with me. It's not hard to find one of this around, right? You can send a message from the app itself, right? So I'll go through a couple of free one. I don't know too much of the free one. It normally come in the form of Chrome extension, right? One I know is called, can you see my screen? It's called Snapshots.io. Right, so basically you can go to any website and it just, you make a free account, they have a paid plan. It
scrapes everything?
Yeah, it's just scrape email, man. It's not going to give you phone number.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of free tools like that. It normally come in the form of Chrome extension, and it allows you to scrape. Honestly, YouTube would do the trick. What is the best Chrome extension to scrape email and phone number off a website? Right? Scrape email and phone number off the website, off a website. And what you want to do is that you want to go to the directory website. So, you know, what's the website in your country or in your city that have all of the real estate agent in there, right? For us in Australia, we have Yellow Page. I'm not sure if you heard of it. I'm not sure if Yellow Page is an Australian brand. Yeah.
Yellow Page.
No, but that's in Australia, bro. You have your own thing in America, right? So, yeah. So, yeah, in America they have Yellow. For us, we have realestate.com, Yellow Page. I know it because I done research in my own industry. If I have this tool, have a VA all day, teach them how to use the free software, and my expense would be on the VA, and then they just scrape each day, right, for each of these websites, right? So that's the software side. You can see I'm not really giving you what software to download. I'm just giving you the framework, right? What to look for, right? For the paid one, you want to be looking for something that you can get the most in a month and then cancel it. For the free one, you want to be looking for something that can give you phone number and thing. And normally YouTube would be the most helpful source to that. Okay? Any questions so far?
No.
The third one is, I feel like no one ever teaching this, and it's like the most one that's gonna give you the quality list is freelance. I'll show you how we do it. I've done it successfully before. So what you do is you go to Upwork or Fiverr. You know this website, right? Yeah. So you go to them and you make a job post, a project post like this. Target retail, manufacturing, jeweler, Australian wide. So what do you want? Target retail and manufacturer, realtor in Ohio, or in Del, in certain city or the whole United States, right? And then you say, I don't want anyone from this. You can tell them what you want and what you don't want. And then you said, I want website, phone number, email, and yearly turnover if possible. So you just make a job post and someone will, hey man, I can do this for like amount of dollar. And you say 500 contact needed or something. I actually buy 10,000 for $60. So it's really cheap. It depends. In realtor, there's a lot of email and phone number laying around, so cheap. But for a jeweler, it used to be quite expensive back then. But I would budget out under 100, bro. You can get 10,000 easily under $100. So data mining and Upwork, so you can use it in Upwork, lead scraping. So once you get that list, bro, you can also post on Facebook as well. You can just like make this job post it on Upwork, post it on Fiverr, and post it on the Facebook groups, right? And you're gonna get, I hope I don't offend anybody, you're gonna get, some people from India, Pakistan, they're gonna DM you because they are expert at this sort of stuff. I hope I don't really offend anyone like watching this. But that's the truth, man. People from those regions are expert at this stuff. They can get you 10 of thousands. You know what they do? They're doing the same thing that we do. They have their own software thing. They go scrape it and then they watch YouTube.
Which they do all day.
It doesn't cost them anything. Do you know what I mean? But like those guys are smarter, and it's no point of you wasting time trying to learn how to do this thing, because the main thing you should be closing client, right? It's not a valuable skill set for now. Does that make sense? So bro, no one is teaching this. Right, they teach you how to use software, whether free or paid, and no one how to teach you how to do freelance. I think freelance is the most quality one because a person is actually generate that for you, not a software, right?
Right. And then what would you do with all the data that they give you? Put it through Highlevel?
Exactly. That's what I'm gonna do. Like I'm gonna go through that, right? I'm gonna go through like the whole.
So it would be like a whole funnel. Essentially, you're just taking that, putting it in, sending in the automations to them, and then.
Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you are also checking out this content right there.